Aren't you gonna put your seatbelt on?
I'll be fine. What's the first thing you do when you get into your car? Do you check your makeup, turn the radio on, check your phone? The first thing you need to do is put on your seatbelt.
I just don't understand why people just don't listen. First my dad, and then my mom, and now her. Why does this have to happen? If people would just listen and keep their seatbelts on, all these deaths and tragedies would just be over with. I just can't think about her anymore.
She was so young. She was the youngest person in our entire group. And it could have been any one of us, but just not her.
I wish you could have saw that. Just taking 2 seconds to hear that little click could save her life. It only takes one time for you to die. It's gonna be really tough without her.